In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove wig lace in Affinity Photo. Start by going to Affinity Photo and bringing the photo you want to retouch up on screen. On the left toolbar, look for the three dots icon. This opens the quick search so you can find tools fast without hunting through menus. In the search field that appears, start typing Healing Brush tool, then select it. The healing brush blends texture from a clean source with the color and lighting where you paint, which makes it perfect for hiding visible wig lace while keeping skin and hair natural. With the tool active, move your cursor over an area that's clean and similar to what should be under the lace. Think clear skin near the hairline or undisturbed hair right beside the lace. Hold the Alt key and click once to define that as your sample. Release Alt, then paint gently over the lace. Work in short strokes and resample often by holding Alt and clicking again whenever the lighting or texture changes. This keeps the blend believable. Adjust your brush size so it's just a little larger than the lace you're covering. A softer edge helps avoid halos. You can lower hardness if you see sharp borders. If the result looks smeared, undo, pick a better sample closer to the lace and try again. Follow the natural direction of hair strands, and for edges along the forehead, reduce flow or opacity slightly so transitions fade in rather than stamp on. Zoom in for precision, then zoom out periodically to check the overall look. Continue sampling and painting until the lace disappears and the hairline reads clean. When everything looks consistent under normal viewing, you're done. That's how to remove wig lace in Affinity Photo with simple, controlled healing for a flawless finish.